Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and I've gotten a ton, and I mean a ton of questions pertaining to how to set up Google Wi-Fi, how to set up Google Nest. Both of those are mesh networks, so especially if you're working at home and you've got, because of the situation we're in right now, a lot of people are working at home and you want to have more reliable wireless internet. So Google Wi-Fi and Nest Wi-Fi are both great options, but a lot of people have had problems configuring it, which is understandable. Not everybody's technically minded, but if you're looking for assistance, and again, I've posted a video and I've linked that within the YouTube cards. You should see a card pop up that is my Google Wi-Fi tutorial. But even after that, some people with newer versions of AT&T equipment in particular have run into things. It's like, well, that setting that you mentioned there, I can't find it. Can you help? I do provide consulting services. So if you're looking for consulting services for how to set up your Google Wi-Fi, how to set up your Google Nest, how to set up Amazon Eero, just shoot me a message. The best way to contact me, just go to facebook.com/IrixGuy and send me a message there. I'll chat with you. I'll share my consultation fee and see if it's something you're interested in. And if you are, we can schedule a time and remotely. Obviously, I don't, this is a zero contact consulting. So, remotely, I'll see if I can enable it to function properly for you. And obviously, if I can't, then there's nothing due. I mean, don't pay for something that doesn't work. So if I'm able to get you running, then you'll be able to say, okay, well, the quote that you provided, here's your money for that. Thanks for helping me out. So I hope this video provides value. And again, contact me. The best way to get me is facebook.com/IrixGuy. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. And and if it's not Google Nest, Google Wi-Fi, Amazon Eero, if it's another solution, just ask, and I may be able to help you with that as well. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.